welcome to this Mindful Healing Moment. My name is Kimberly Murphy, and today we're going to explore a breathing technique called 4-7-8 breathing. This practice is designed to help you create a moment of calm and focus no matter what's going on around you. It's a gentle method to slow your breath, center your mind, and settle into a sense of stillness. Like Thich Nhat Hanh says, feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky, but conscious breathing is my anchor. Can you anchor yourself into this moment by practicing mindful breathing? So before we begin, remember that this practice is here to support you, that there's no right or wrong way to experience it. Simply follow the steps at your own pace and see what unfolds. To start, find a comfortable seated position, a place that you can be relaxed and tall. You might even pause this video to find a place that you won't be disturbed. Placing any cushion or support underneath your bottom, underneath the knees, so that you can sit up nice and tall. Closing the eyes or finding one point to gaze at. Starting to bring your attention inward. And invite any tension in your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders to release. And feel the breath flowing in and out. And continue to watch your natural breath. In a moment, we'll begin to change the natural breath by inhaling slowly for 4 seconds to feel the lungs expand, the chest rise, and holding that breath in that space for 7 seconds to feel the stillness within. And then exhaling slowly out the mouth for 8 seconds, like you're softly blowing out a candle. I encourage you to go at your own pace, at your own count. If the amount I offer is too much or too little, adjust and make the experience your own. On your next in-breath, inhale through the nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale from the mouth. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going at your own pace. The rhythm is inhaling for a count of 4, holding for a count of 7, exhaling for a count of 8. And continue this breathing pattern as long as it feels comfortable, allowing your mind to settle into the rhythm of your breath. You may even want to pause this recording to stay with the breath a little longer. As you continue, remind yourself that you are stronger than your fears. You are calm, capable, and in control. Feelings come and go, like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. Whenever you fear or have stress arrive, may you come back to this breathing technique. May it be your anchor, always available to you to help you recreate and find that stillness and calm, to feel and find yourself. You are stronger than your fears, and your breath will help you to remember that. Thank you for joining me for this mindful healing moment. Have a great day on purpose. Jai Bhagwan. Namaste.